Hello friend, today we are going to download and install NetBeans Apache. For that we have to open our favorite browser and search for NetBeans download, and after that click on enter, and after that just click on here, and here you can see the latest version of NetBeans Apache. Now just click on this, and after that click on your Windows machine and for 64-bit. Now just click here, it will start downloading. Okay, and here you have to select the HTTP or backup. I just click here. Now our Apache will start downloading. Okay, now after download just click on show in folder, and after that I minimize this and double click on it. Now just click on yes. It will take some time and it will start installing. Okay, now click on next, just accept and click on next, and after that it will detect our JDK which I already downloaded. If you have not downloaded JDK, then first download the JDK and after that install Apache. I just click on next, and after that just click on install. It will take some time and it will install in our machine. Okay, now after that click on finish, now here we have to click on Apache. It will load our Apache NetBeans. Okay, now after that this is the starting page when you open first time, and here you have to click on new project, and after that choose the project name. I use Java with Maven, and after that click on application and just click on next. Okay, now this is our project name. I keep it as it is. You can change, and you can also change the location of the program file. Okay, now after that click on finish. It will take some time. Okay, now our project is loaded. Just click here, and after that click on source package and click on, now after that click on the package, and here we have to create our new Java class, and after that I name this class as main. Now click on finish, and here after this I create PSVM, then I just use this shortcut key. You write PSVM and control plus space to get the hint, and you can click enter after getting this. Okay, and after that I use system dot out dot println, and after that provide hello world and after that exclamation mark. Now I have to run this project. For that we have to first build this project. I just click here. It will take some time, and after that it will build our project. Okay, now you can see this project is successfully built. Now we have to run this project with the help of this play button. Just click here, and our project is run successfully. Okay, you can see it takes some time, and here we go. We have the output hello world. Okay, now this is how we can download and install Apache in our system, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.